Good morning, dear student. We have studied the physical properties of metals and nonmetals in our previous lectures. Clear? So, now we are going to start a new topic. Please pay attention. These are important. In this lecture, we will discuss the chemical properties of metals. In chemical properties of metal, we will see how metals react with different substances, like reaction of metal with dilute acid, reaction of metals with air or oxygen present in air. Clear? Reaction of metals with chlorine gas. With chlorine gas. Similarly, reaction of metal with hydrogen gas. So all these type of reactions we have to study in our syllabus. It is clear. So we are going to discuss here or see the reaction of metals with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 type of, please pay attention, 6 type of reaction we have to study in this lecture. Understood? These are in our syllabus only. So first we will start with, see, we are going to start chemical properties of matter. In chemical property, we study the reaction, how reaction occurs, how reaction of metals occurs with other substances. Now these reactions come in this category, chemical properties. Physical we have studied already. So see, first is reaction of metal with dilute acid. Dilute acid. Dilute acid means acid which is added to water or whose strength is less than a pure acid, concentrated acid. Because we have seen in previous classes also in acid base chapter that acidic strength of an acid can be decreased by adding some small amount of water to it. Clear? So the acid which contain some water are called dilute acid. So we will see how metals react with dilute acid. Clear? When metal will react with dilute acid, it will form salt, formation of metal salt. Clear? Once again I repeat, reaction of metal with dilute acid. Whenever metal react with dilute acid, they form salts, that is metal salts, and during this reaction hydrogen is liberated, hydrogen gas will release. Second reaction is reaction of metal with water. Clear? How metal reacts with water? This reaction, in this reaction, see what will be the product form. When a metal react with water, it form either oxide. See, it may form either oxide or hydroxide also, depending upon the experimental condition. Please pay attention, because with water some metal forms oxide, whereas some other metal forms hydroxide, depending upon the experimental condition. Clear? Third one is reaction of metal with oxygen, oxygen or air, oxygen present in air. How do metal react with air present in oxygen? That is the third type of reaction which we have to study. When metal react with oxygen, it always forms oxide, no hydroxide. No hydroxide formation will take place. Whenever metal react with oxygen, it always form only oxide. So formation of metal oxide we can say. Next is reaction of metal with salt solution. like NaCl, KCl, all these salt. So when metal react with salt solution, the resulting compound product is again a salt. Clear? We will discuss later on. We will discuss briefly all these reactions later on. Next is C. First we will classify. We will see which type of reaction we have to study in this topic. Under this topic, C, reaction of metal with chlorine. Fifth type of reaction. We have to learn here how metal react with chlorine. Chlorine is a diatomic gas Cl2. Clear? It is a diatomic gas. So whenever metals react with chlorine, it forms chloride. So product of this reaction will be formation of chloride. Means metal when react with chlorine gas, Cl2 gas, it forms metal chloride. Clear? And last one is reaction of metals with hydrogen gas. At room temperature, it is found in gaseous state. H2, it is a diatomic gas. So in this reaction we will see how different metals reacts with hydrogen. However, when they react with hydrogen, they form hydride. Please pay attention. When metal react with the hydrogen gas, they form hydride. So we can say in this reaction what will happen? Formation of hydride. Metal hydride will form. Now we will discuss each reaction one by one briefly.